Hello everybody, today is Thursday, December 1st. It's 3:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 2 minutes before the regular session closed. You can see my computer clock here. I'm going to bring over the time and sales, the E-mini S&P trading at 2190. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a good day for the auto traders today. First up is the Nasdaq on the Super 10 tick. This came just shy of its goal of 2,000 and did 1825 for the day and took very little heat from the open. You can see the equity curve here. There was just a couple of small losers throughout the day and gave back a little at the end here. So closing at 1825 on 2 contracts. Next up is the DAX on a 34-second line break chart, and you can see the equity curve here. We didn't take a lot of heat here from the beginning equity, just a couple $100 perhaps, and all the way up to 2050, hit its goal and had positive slippage on the end. So quite a solid performance here, and once again the DAX showing very strong results. Okay, again we have the DAX on our Super 14 tick, which seems to be one of our most consistent chart setups on the DAX. This one hits its goal quite a lot. It's been in quite a lot of our videos, so we can see the performance here. We took a little heat off the opening trades. The system starts trading at 9:30, and then had quite a few winners after that, and then a couple of good-sized winners here midday, and then probably hit its goal and had a couple of ticks of slippage. Next up is the DAX on the Super 6 tick, and the DAX firing on many different time frames here. The 6 tick doing 1325 for the day. The daily goal is 2,000, but still a pretty solid performance on this. And here is our equity curve. So we definitely took some heat from the open down nearly $1,000 and then came back to finish at 1325. So once again demonstrating the volatility of the DAX. Okay, the gold contract doing 1180 for the day. This is one that you really have to keep track of the rollover months. The gold is actually on the February contract, so I think we got lucky here at the close here at the very end of the day, where probably the last day for this contract, and prices spiked and we got filled, so boosted our profit quite a bit. So starting tomorrow, we'll be on the February contract. Okay, couple charts are rather frustrating today. This is the crude oil on the 150 tick line break, and you see our equity curve here. We drew down less than $200 and we had an equity high of over $1,000. We had some pretty nice trades here going into the equity high, and then we had a couple of whipsaws here, and that gave back a little less than half of our earnings for the day. So that's unfortunate, but it does happen. Okay, coming back to our chart of the Nasdaq on the Super 10 tick. That's all for today's video. If you would like to find out more, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.